Installation guidance of hinge entry door. Tools: electric drill, rubber mallet, screwdriver, hex screwdriver, craft knife. Step 1. Install the door frame and door panel. Confirm the position, opening direction, specifications, and dimensions of the door opening, and determine the door frame installation position according to the design drawings. If there are door trims, fix them to the door frame with screws in accordance with the design drawings as well. Temporarily fix the door frame with wooden wedges to ensure the door frame is upright and not distorted. Adjust the verticality of the door frame with an error is less than or equal to 1.0 mm per meter. Ensure the crossbeam is horizontal with an error is less than or equal to 1.0 mm. The diagonal error of the inner opening of the door frame is less than or equal to 2.0 mm, and the width error of the upper, middle and lower inner openings of the door frame is less than or equal to 1.0 mm. Fix the door frame to the wall using door frame installation screws. Position the door panel for hanging. Place the door panel vertically to form a 90 angle with the door frame. Lift the door panel high. Insert the door panel hinges into the hinge seats on the door frame, and the door panel installation is completed. Rotate the door panel to test whether it can open and close properly. Step 2. Install the lock. Install the lock to door mounting plate and tighten the screws. Install the lock face cover and tighten the screws. Install the lock cylinder from the indoor side and gently tap it with a rubber mallet to align it. Fix the lock cylinder with screws. Insert the key to test whether the lock can be opened and closed properly. Step 3. Install the handle. Install the lock cylinder. Note that the longer one is for the indoor side and the shorter one is for the outdoor side. Insert the lock cylinder, mount the handle, and tighten the side screws with a hex wrench. Follow the same steps for the outdoor side. If a smart lock is selected as an option, please refer to the following installation steps. Install the lock cylinder and fix it with screws. Install the outdoor handle and feed the wires through the lock hole to the indoor side. Install the indoor locked door mounting plate and fix it with screws. Install the lock cylinder. Install the indoor handle. Wire it according to the method shown in the video and fix it with screws. Align the contacts and install the battery. Align the contacts and install the screen. The lock is installed successfully if the screen lights up. Install the handle cover plate. Turn the handle and press the buttons to test whether the smart lock works properly. Step 4. Install the stainless steel pull handle. Align the screws with the screw holes on the door panel and insert them. Place the screw washer and base plate on the opposite side of the screws. Align the pull handle with the base plate. Then tighten the screws on the opposite side. Align the pull handle on the other side with the screws and tighten the screws with a hex wrench. Step 5. Install the glass. Lift the glass to the door frame and align it with the gaskets for installation. Install L channels around the glass to fix it in place, then tighten the screws with a drill to fix the glass channels. Install the glazing beads. Test whether the door can open and close properly. Step 6. Sealing and finishing. Fill the gap between the door frame and the wall completely with foam sealant. After the foam sealant dries, use a utility knife to cut off the excess foam sealant that overflows. Cook the joints with sealant. Installation completed.